So hey guys, how are you? I hope that you are doing great. So guys, in this video you would be able to see four of my friends, and the name of my friends are Adhijit Dasgupta, Purvasha Jana, Ankit Hathi and Shonajit Banerjee. I have given each of them a topic to speak, extempore topic, and they would be speaking on them in this video. And guys, if you like their video, then please also subscribe to their channel. The link of their channel I would be giving in the description. So guys, now without wasting any time, let us hear to my friends.
Hey guys, I am ADG. I am Ayush's classmate. So today I just wanted to say that during this COVID situation, things are not the same anymore. Things are really tough these days, and we all are stuck at home doing our online classes, our co-curricular activities at home on our own, and this is not fun, you know what I'm saying. And like we used to do before 2 years ago, like we used to go to school, have fun with friends, that was just amazing. I just really want to go back to school as fast as I can. And in India especially, COVID is rising really quickly and third wave is coming, so I request everyone, please stay safe. Don't go out of your houses unnecessarily. Wash your hands with soap for 30 seconds. Wear masks. Use sanitizers. Please stay safe from the third wave. Many people are dying and suffering from COVID. So please stay safe. And our online classes are going on now. Our online classes are going on for 2 years now. And it's fun. Everything has a disadvantage and advantage. Like everything, online classes also have advantage and disadvantage. Like the main advantage for us, the thing is we don't have to wake up early, and we had to go to school early in the morning. We had to wake up at 6:30 or 7, but now as our online classes are going on, we don't have to get up so early. We are getting up at 8 and conducting our online classes. And the main disadvantage is we can't meet anyone face to face, and this is really the big problem. And also we are getting to know many of these virtual apps. These are a good thing, and we should make use of technology that we have in hand. So yeah, I will end it today, and hope you all stay safe, stay happy, wear mask always. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Purvasha Jana. So today I will talk about examination stress. So examination stress is a common topic nowadays. Nowadays it is heard everywhere at every study institutions that someone is getting stressed due to their examinations or due to their studies. So all the students are under huge pressure of their exams. The aim is to just score highly in the exams and rank the best. Thus, they are always under a tremendous pressure and competition in their student life. As a result, many of them complain of a lot of physical as well as mental issues at the time of preparing for their exams. It is a very common problem for the students at the levels of education like school, college, and even universities around the globe. Students preparing for their exams feel under pressure. The pressure may result in feelings of anxiety and nervousness, and this exam stress can interfere with individuals' daily life. While a certain amount of stress may be beneficial, too much exam stress can cause individuals to perform poorly on tests, and that means a lot to the student. learning that causes stress can help students to understand their emotions and regulate their anxiety levels. So, examinations are getting feared by students. So, students are just starting not to talk about their examinations because they are getting stressed whenever they just talk about it. So, I think we should just cope up with this and not get stressed due to our examinations, because examinations are nothing to get feared of. Examinations are just getting a little test of how much you are prepared, and we shouldn't just compete with others. Let's compete with ourselves and let's see how much we can make ourselves better. We shouldn't try to be better than others. Why should we? We should try to be better than ourselves. Let's score better in our tests, but we shouldn't compete. Let's make ourselves better than ourselves. So let's check our previous results and try to make them better than everyone, than ourselves. So let's not get stressed about our examinations and let's enjoy them.
So guys, now the boys follows the girls.
दोस्तों, मैं हूं अंकित और आप लोग देख रहे हैं गेट मोटिवेट यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस, मैं आज आप लोगों को बताने वाला हूं कि फ्रेंड्स का वैल्यू क्या होता है। पहले मैं आपको लोगों को बताने वाला हूं कि फ्रेंड्स का मतलब क्या है। दोस्त का फ्रेंड्स का मतलब है जो आपके साथ रहता है। दोस्त का मतलब है जो आपके सुख और दुख में साथ देता है। जब भी आप किसी मुसीबत में हो, दोस्त आपके पास खड़ा ठीक हो जाता है। आज जैसे मेरा एक दोस्त है आयुष, जो कि मेरे साथ जब भी मैं किसी मुसीबत में हूँ वो मेरे साथ खड़ा ही हो जाता है। जब मैं दुख में होता हूँ तो वो मुझे हंसाने की कोशिश करता है। जब भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता तो वो बोलता है चल आजा फुटबॉल खेलते हैं। ये दोस्त होता है। दोस्त होता है कि वो आपके साथ हमेशा रहे। दोस्त नहीं है तो जिंदगी नहीं है।
Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Shoinandi does not want to reveal his face. So guys, please enjoy the audio.
I love to do studies because it helped me a lot to know about the ancient history of our civilization, and it also helped me to know more about the kings who live here long time ago. And study is a great thing that you all must do in your life. If you didn't do studies, you won't be able to know about the interesting facts of our old civilization.
So guys, this much for today. Hope you liked the video, and guys, if you liked it, then please share your valuable comments in the comment box. Till then, bye bye.